This powerful tea is the best natural remedy for swollen legs. Before we start with this video, you should know that both man and women can be affected by this aesthetic and health problem. The medical experts claim that swollen legs can be caused by many reasons, such as side effects of some drugs and medications, PMS, pregnancy, poor circulation, eating processed foods, consumption of foods high in salt, etc. You should know that sometimes it's completely normal if your legs are swollen. For example, during pregnancy, if you stand or sit for a long time, etc. But if you experience chronic ankle or leg swelling, this might be a warning sign that you should visit a doctor immediately. So if your ankle or leg swelling is not reduced after a while, then you should consult your doctor immediately. Fortunately, there are some herbal and natural home remedies, which are very useful and extremely beneficial in reducing swelling. This homemade remedies will help you get rid of the excess fluids and will reduce the swelling in your legs and ankles. Well, one of these natural and herbal remedies is the well-known herb parsley. Many different studies have found that its consumption can provide many health benefits, and it can prevent many health problems such as asthma, allergies, menstrual pain, urinary tract infections, digestive problems. This amazing herb is also very useful in treating bronchitis, improves the breath, it reduces high blood pressure, and it also promotes bone health. Homemade parsley tea recipe. Note, this homemade parsley tea is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to chop the parsley roots and leaves. Then you should put 500 ml of water in a pot and let it boil. Add 5 teaspoons of parsley and let it boil for 5 minutes. After that, you need to remove it from heat, leave it for 20 minutes until it's cool, and then you need to strain the mixture. How to use it? Make sure you drink at least 3 times a day. Note, you can add some ginger, lemon, or honey to enrich its taste. If you want to get the best results from this homemade parsley tea, then you should consume it while it's still warm. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.